Good morning, everyone. My name is Rohan. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to discuss the NSO sample paper syllabus 2021 to 22 for class 5. So, we have three questions. The first question is logical reasoning. The second question is science. Third question is achievers section. Logical reasoning has 10 questions and science has 35. Achiever section has 5. The first two sections carry 1 mark each, but the achiever section carries 3 marks each. Getting on to the first question, if you are 11th in a queue of persons starting from either end, then how many persons are there in the queue? Option A 11, option B 21, option C 20 and option D 24. And the correct answer is option B 21. And I am reminding, if you want more time, just pause this video. Question number 2. Count the number of cubes in the given figure. Option A 9, option B 8, option C 12, option D 10. Here is the figure. And the correct answer is option B 10. There are 10 cubes in this figure. Question number 3. The mirror image of sun. If the mirror is placed vertically to the left is, I am not going to read the options for this question. And the correct answer is option D. So question number 4. The term reduce is one of the 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle to save the environment. An example of this, of the opposite of reducing, is overpacking, and it is an anti-environment activity. Which of the following packing activities is anti-environment? Option A, filling a cereal box completely. Option B, putting an item in a cardboard box, then putting that box in another box. Option C, putting foam packing material around a fragile item. Option D, packing an item in the smallest possible box. And the correct answer is option B, putting an item in a cardboard box, then putting that box in another box. Question number 5. Select the animal pair who has similar breathing mechanisms. Option A, bat and fish. Option B, turtle and lizard. Option C, butterfly and mouse. Option D, earthworm and cockroach. And the correct answer is option B, turtle and lizard. Moving on to question number 6. Dash is a good conductor of electricity. Option A, metal. Option B, rubber. Option C, plastic. Option D, all of this. Choose the correct answer. I am reminding, pause the video if you want more time. And the correct answer is option A, metal. Rubber and plastic are not good conductor of electricity, but metal is a good conductor of electricity. Moving on to question number 7. A small baby plant coming out of a seed is called option A, grain. Option B, root. Option C, dispersal. Option D, seedling. Choose the correct answer for this question. The correct answer is option D, seedling. Question number 8. Which of these is needed to measure the mass of a rock? Option A, a balance. Option B, a barometer. Option C, a metric ruler. Option D, a thermometer. So, the correct answer is option A, a balance. Question number 9. Burning of garbage leads to 1. 1 can cause deadly diseases such as 2 and asthma. Which of the following options correctly fills the blanks 1 and 2? Option A, 1 air pollution, 2 lung cancer. Option B, 1 water pollution, 2 lung cancer. Option C, 1 soil pollution, 2 cholera. Option D, 1 water pollution, 2 typhoid. And the correct answer is option A, air pollution. So the next question is question number 10. The substance that imparts green color to the plants is known as option A, water. Option B, chlorophyll. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, calcium. And the correct answer is option B, chlorophyll. Which of the following are included in the first class livers? Option A, 1, 2 and 4. Option B, 1 and 2. Option C, 3 and 4. Option D, 1, 3 and 4. The correct answer is option B, 1 and 2, which is scissors and cutting pliers. Look at the figure. It shows lunar eclipse. Where will be the earth in it? I have just read the 12th question. I am reading the question, options. Option A, A. Option B, B. Option C, C. Option D, D. The correct answer is option B, B. Here A is the sun, B is the earth, C is the moon. A news flashed on TV that 70 people died in A or an X in Kashmir. The X can be dash. A, tsunami. B, sandstorm. C, avalanche. D, all of these. And the correct answer is option C, an avalanche. Avalanche are a natural disaster which come from the mountains especially. The snow big part of the snow just slides down that mountain or a hill. Now moving to achiever section, question number 14. Three different types of plants X, Y and Z were selected by scientists who want to document their methods of seed dispersal. The graphs below show the approximate number of seedlings found at various distances around the parent plant. Which option most correctly lists the methods of seed dispersal of each plant? Option A, X water, Y explosive action, Z animal. Option B, X wind, Y animal. Z water. Option C, X wind, Y animal, Z explosive action, D X is explosive action, Y water, X animal, Z animal. And the correct answer is option option C, wind. X is wind, Y is animal, Z is explosive action. Question number 15. Identify 1, 3, 4 and 6 in the given pyramid and select the correct option. But this time I am not going to say the options. Take your time. And the correct answer is option A, 50. A. 1 fruits, 3 grains, 4 proteins, 6 sweets and fats. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe that big red button down below, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Then you will get my new videos whenever I post it on YouTube. And if I have done any mistakes in my video, just comment it in the comment section below. I will improve my mistakes in future videos. Thank you. Bye bye.